A major fire broke out in Hyderabad's Gulzar House area near Charminar, claiming 6 lives, including that of 3 women and 2 children. Over 10 fire engines were rushed to the scene as rescue operations still continue. There were around 16 people who were saved and shifted to hospitals. Many are suffering from severe burn injuries and suffocation. The blaze caused widespread panic in the crowded Old City area. We have some reactions coming in. Let's listen in.
चारमीनार के पास जो गुलदरवाज है, गुलदरवाज में आप सब लोगों को मालूम है, इधर पियर्स का बिजनेस ज्यादा होता है। उसी बिजनेस में काम करने वाले एक परिवार जो शॉप भी है, उसके पीछे उनके ऊपर घर भी है, मगर शॉर्ट सर्किट के कारण जो एक्सीडेंट हुआ है उसमें बहुत लोग इसमें देहांत हुआ और कुछ घायल भी है। अभी अलग अलग हॉस्पिटल्स में डेड बॉडीज है और लगभग 6 बजे सुबह इंसिडेंट हुआ, ऐसा अधिकारी बता रहे। उनका परिवार के लोग भी मैं मिला हूं। एक ही विषय है, ऐसे इंसिडेंट होना बहुत दुखी बात है।
Shomit is joining us on the phone line. Shomit, what's the status of the rescue operation and what caused the blaze?
Well, short circuit is what the reason is being told by the authorities as of now, but exactly will be known only after the thorough investigation is done. But when in this unfortunate incident, in this fatal fire accident which broke out today in the Vias, is what initially the assessment was done by the authorities, by the police and the fire services, and they received the call today morning by the locals have called the firefighters, and over 5 tenders, the fire tenders reached the spot and they tried to douse the fire, but it took hours for them because we know at the historic Charminar this Gulzar House is located, and there there are several shops, hundreds of shops which sell the pearls, and one of the pearl shop in the.
Shomit, are you confirming that the fire has been contained for now?
Well, as of now, fire has been doused and they're trying to clear the debris, and also all the people around 16 who were trapped inside were rescued by the police and also the locals and the firefighters, and 6 people have lost their lives and 2 to 3 are in serious condition is what we are told as of now.
The working president of the BRS has also posted on social media platform X. KTR says, and I quote, "Extremely shocked and pained. Details emerging out of Gulzar House fire tragedy in Old City are very sad. My heartfelt condolences to the families of the victims of the tragedy. Wishing a speedy recovery to those injured. Hoping and praying that this fire will be contained very soon. BRS team will be available for anything that you may need." Thank you, Shomit, for getting us all those details. And with that, it's time for us to take a short commercial break. Stay with Times Now.